welcome back to Physics Point again. In that class, we are going to understand another important topic, that is integration. I hope you have some knowledge about differentiation. If you don't have any knowledge about differentiation, then differentiation you can also check your online, that will be available within 1 to 3 days. Now first I am trying to understand how integration performed in mathematics. Actually this area is from 0 unit of +1 physics, and it is more useful to doing numericals regarding your physics concepts. So at that time integration is nothing, it is the reverse of differentiation. As we know, whenever we perform a differentiation we get a final result, and that final result, if we reverse that process, then we again reach to the main function. So how it is performed? Since actually we know that if I is equal to f of x, then its differentiation will be di upon dx will be f dash x. So it is clear that in differentiation a derivative of any function with respect to that quantity which is the function of that variable, so its differentiation is performed. So this is f dash x, this is the differentiation. If we repeat it, then it's again I will be come out. How? If we take dx on that side and this d on that right side, then this differentiation sign convert into integration. In that manner I have a formula f of x dx and f of f dx. Now if I solve that value, the answer will be fx plus c. The c is a special sign specially used for the integration concept. All in mathematics, integration result always has some a sign that is called c. There are lots of standard formulas which are specially used in integration. First we take a look how these formula and what they are the answers. Integration of sin x dx is normally minus cos x plus c is the answer. By integration of cos dx is give the answer sin x plus c. C is not mandatory, but you can take a sign. One integration 1 upon x dx is equal to log of ex plus c, while integration of ex dx have the answer ex plus c, and integration of sec square x dx is equal to 10x plus c, while cosecant square x dx is also equal to minus the 4x by integration it, or integration of secant x 10x dx will give the answer sec x plus c. Integration of cos x dx cot x is equal to give minus cosecant x plus c. Integration of ex dx as usual answer x plus c, while integration of ax dx, there a is particular value, it may be 2x, it may be 5x, it may be 6x, whatever, is equal to ax divided by log of e of a. And last one, integration of u plus minus v plus minus w dx, the give the answer integration of u dx plus minus integration of v dx plus minus integration of w dx plus c. This is by part, this is the by part integration technique. All these standard formulas specially used in physics, sometimes in different type of situations. So first we take a example which is very common formula especially used in physics numericals. If d derivative of x to the power n plus 1 have answer, we take the power on front side n plus 1 x to the power and subtract minus 1 of that power. Minus 1 cancel out, then answer will be n plus 1 x to the power n. In this way, this is the answer of this differentiation. Now we equate it. Now we take dx on that side, and this differentiation on that side change into integration and take n plus 1 on lower side. So the answer will be integration of x and dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So we obtain the formula of differentiation and rearrange and get the formula of integration. So it is clear that this process is generally reverse of differentiation. You can check it here. But there is a main problem. If x to the power n, for all n, its answer is this one formula. But if the n is minus 1 n in that case, then it will be x to the power minus 1 dx. It could be write as 1 upon x dx, but that is standard formula. You can check it. This is the standard formula. 1 upon x dx. His answer is log ex plus c. So for minus 1 that formula is not used, but for all and rather than minus 1 this formula is applicable and give the answer by that value. Now there are some problems that we will solve one by one how integration is performed here. First we get the answer of this integration. Actually there are three terms 1, 2, 3. First we separate it one by one. A taking outside integration of x square dx plus b taking outside x dx plus c is a constant taking dx. Now find the integration. This is x to the power n as you know, but this is not minus 1. So its formula is x to the 2 plus 1 divided by 2 and 1 3 plus b as it is x to the 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus c, and integration of dx is called 1. So the answer will be here 1 by 3 a x to the power 3 1 by 2 b x to the power 2 and plus c. This is the formula. This is the answer for that integration. Now we will do second integration. Now this is second integration. Here you can see 3 is into cosecant square x. So first take 3 outside, integration of cosecant square x plus 2 taking outside sin 3x dx. Now check. Cosecant square x have a formula n minus cot x, that is 3 into minus cot x, but there cot x and plus 2 as it is sin x, that is angle is 3x, so sin x minus 2x, that is minus the cos angle as it is, but there is angle. Any quantity in multiply of angle always in divide, so its integration will be divided by 3. So now answer will be minus का 3 cot of x minus का 2 by 3 cos of 3x. This is the required answer for that integration. You have to put c along with it so that it's clear that this is the integration answer. Okay, now we will do third numerical. This is our third numerical. You can check it. You have to take 3 outside, but integration of x to the power minus 7, that means x to the power minus 7 plus 1 and minus 7 plus 1. This is the first integration. This is integration solve out. Now second, plus x schema 1 upon x dx, and we know that integration of x to 1 dx will be solve out. This is 3 x minus 6 minus 7 plus minus 6 divided by minus 6, and this is log x 1 upon x dx. 1 upon x dx is called a log of, it is log of e की पावर x plus 6. So 3 जो जाकर minus 1 बटा 2 x की पावर minus 6 plus log of e x plus c. This is the answer of this integration. Now we will do another numerical, that will be last numerical, to understand how integration is performed here. So here we have formula x 1 upon x की power t. Let's check it how it will be solved here. Actually there is an identity, we know that a plus b की power t. It have identity a की 3, b की 3, 3 a square b and 3ab square. We will use that identity. A dt means x dt, 1 upon x dt, b dt plus t a square. That means x square into as usual b plus 3x as it is into 1 upon x square. Now solve it. X dt plus 1 upon x dt plus x to x cancel out t x plus x to x cancel out t upon x. This is the answer. Now we will apply integration by part. This and this. So there is a complete integration of dx. So it will be first integration x की 3 dx, second 1 upon x की 3 dx, next plus it will be 3 taking outside x dx and it will be 3 taking outside 1 upon x dx. In this way integration is solving here. Now find x की power n. You know that x की power n means n plus 1 divided by 3 में 4. Next x की power minus 3 means x की minus 3 plus 1, x की minus 3 on x की power n formula we will use here. Then this one minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1, that means x minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1. Next plus 3 as it is, integration x की power 1 means 1 plus 1 divided by 2 and 3, but 1 upon x dx is a standard formula, that is log e of x. Log e of x. Now find 1 upon 4 x की 4. This is minus 2. You have to put 1 upon minus 2. And x की minus 2 you have to take in lower side. It will be 2x square. Now this one, that is 3 by 2 x की 2 plus 3 log of e x log of e to the x plus c. This will be the right answer for that integration. So in that manner integration question are solved. I hope you understand very well, and if you have any problem you can tell me on my number as well as in comment section. I will definitely solve your integration problem. Thank you so much. We will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and keep study hard.